Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I traded in LNT. I shorted this stock. So the reason to short this stock was on 15 minutes it was trading in this big channel pattern. Also it was near this again small channel pattern forming near this resistance of this channel, and also to you can see there was no new high was formed. So I was waiting for this channel to be crossed. So in the morning it crossed at this area, and you can see a good move down. So after this, when I started looking at this chart, it was near this area. So I was waiting for some kind of a shorting pattern to be formed. So started going up, and it resisted this area. So I drew this trend line, and you can see it resisted that trend line, and so I drew this trend line also. So I was waiting for this trend line to be crossed. Also this M pattern low to be crossed, because it was kind of a making higher rise. So I wanted it to make a lower low to be crossed. So here I kept my limit order on 1 minute I was trading. Here I kept my limit order below this low. When it crossed, I kept my limit order below this low, and here this candle triggered my order, and I was in the trade. So you can see it went down to 1 is to 1, but my target was 1 is to 2. So it did not give me 1 is to 2. It gave me 1 is to 1. Then it started going up. But I kept my trailing SL here. I did not keep it at this area because I was expecting that this stock may come to this trend line again, and then it will go down, but it did not happen. It crossed it and it started going up. So my trailing SL reason to keep this trailing SL at this area was that I wanted it to resist again this trend line. But that was the wrong decision. It went up, because Nifty also, you can see it is in 5 minutes. Nifty also gave a good up move at this time. So it also gave up move. So this was my trade for today. And one more thing I noticed is uh, the stock is change the momentum from here, because I think I should have kept my target to at this area only. You can see the area I have drew, because this is the support region. uh, I'll show you on 5 minutes. This is the support region. You can see it did not cross this area. It started going up. It did not make higher high, but it was not crossing this area. Today it crossed, but it did not sustain this area. Again, the big wide range, this is the candle, big wide range green candle was formed. Though the volume is not that good, but after that you can see it did not again went and crossed the low of this candle. So it was possible that there are buyers available at this region. So it is possible, because you see the after this candle, the candles forming were the white range candle, and it was not a small retracement. It was a good wide range candles retracement with a good volume. You can see green buyer's volume here. So I could have, if I'm shorting the stock considering the bearish momentum, I should have kept my target to this level, or I could have avoided this trade considering this is not a high probability trade. Because you can see it almost change the direction from the same area. So that was that. And also Nifty was not giving the I thought Nifty will retrace. Yeah, it is continuously going up, so I thought it will retrace a bit, so LNT will also go down, but it did not happen that way. So that's it. This was my trade for today. Thank you for watching my video.